WWE legend Jim the Anvil Neidhart has passed away at the age of 63. Neidhart was best known for his role in the Hart Foundation, alongside his brother-in-law, WWE famer Bret the Hitman Hart. Neidhart began his career after playing pro football with the Oakland Raiders and Dallas Cowboys. He was trained by WWE Hall of Famer Stu Hart in the infamous Hart Dungeon in Calgary, Canada, and earned his ring name The Animal after winning an anvil throwing contest. Bret posted it on Twitter after hearing the news. He wrote, "Stunned and saddened. I just don't have the words right now." Neidhart last time in WWE was in 1997. In a statement following his news of his death, the WWE says WWE extends its condolences to Neidhart's family, friends, and fans.
You know, it's funny. I feel like I did.
This is not Hitman, it was his tag team partner.
Sure.
We said goodbye at the airport. But I thought about you.